Hi, welcome back to the OvoPro app. So now I will show how to create a item master and warehouse master, which is in inventory module. In the earlier video we have seen shed and flock creation. So I'll show the warehouse master. So here at the last option we have in inventory module is the warehouse master. Warehouse master is nothing but where we can keep the things whatever like we wanted, like we have to purchase. Okay, or directly we can do to the shed and flock also, but here we are creating one warehouse for that, and from that warehouse only we are going to do some transactions. So it is not mandatory that you have to do with this warehouse or that warehouse only. So it is just an option from the other than the shed and flock also. So I have created like three warehouse here: feed warehouse, birds warehouse, and egg warehouse. So this is like different warehouse I have created, or else I can create a new warehouse also where I want to maintain my medicine and vaccine. So I will create medicine and vaccine warehouse, or else I'll just create a medicine warehouse. So on creation of add, you will get this screen where you will add the warehouse name here, just a warehouse name, nothing other than that. So if I save, so it will create a warehouse for me. So you can see here medicine warehouse. So it is not, as I told, it is not mandatory to create the warehouse and put it here. So it is just an option other than the shed and flock also. So I have created a medicine warehouse. So this is creating warehouse. If I don't want any of the warehouses to be there, then I can just delete that. So are you sure you want to delete this entry? If you say yes, then it will delete. So it will deleted and came back to the display page. So this is creation of warehouse. On click of home button above here, so I'll come back to the home screen. So once warehouse is done, now like we have item masters. So here in inventory module, the first option we have as item master. I will click on that. So these are all masters which are already prefixed in the software, like in the app. So as it is locked, right? So if it is locked, then it has been already used, or it's a prefixed, either of one option. So here we have many things, like here we have in categories like birds, chicks, so eggs, feed, medicines, and vaccines. So here we can see we can create the medicines and vaccines and other things whichever we wanted, but you cannot create the layer birds, you cannot create layer feed, layer eggs categories, because these are all prefixed. You can create only medicines and vaccine items only. So I'll show you how to create that. I'll just go to add button. I'll click on add. So here I'll select. So as I told, you can see only medicine and vaccine categories are coming here because other categories are prefixed. So I'll select one medicine. So I want add that medicine, so just add. It's just an example, so I'm showing. It's just an example, so you can add the real items there. So category, so I've selected medicine. I'm adding one description, so what unit it is, whether it's in liters or quantity. So I'm just selecting quantity, and what is this for cold something. I'll just add, it's a remark for me from me. Okay, once I save this, so it will save and it will show in the display page. If you cancel, then directly without saving it will come to display page. So save this after adding. So I'm clicking on save. It is showing saving item master. Now you can see I have created this medicine citizen 150 mg, so that it is showing here. If I want to delete, I can delete that. So here we also have a filter of the categories. If I select medicines only here in this and click on the blue arrow button, so it will show only medicines that are available in the app. So filter, you can filter. So if it is vaccines, if I selected and I click arrow button, so it will show only vaccines. So if I say layer birds, then it will show the birds. So this is how you can filter and check the data that you have already entered. Okay, so this is how the items has to be created in the item master, and you can see this. So I'll come back. Once I come back, it will come to home page, or you can click the home icon there, so it will come back to home page. Now you got like this items already which are created, all the items. So these items only you can use for the transactions to do day by day in your farm. Yes, so this is creation of item master and warehouse. So in the next video we'll see some other entries. Thank you.